Nova!
Team, I just got a call from Mama Durtle and... What's all this? Did you scare him again, Nova? We've talked about this, but it's fun! Fine. Sorry, Rox.
Uh-oh.
I said I was sorry, Rox. I just cleaned my fur.
That was an accident, I promise.
Come on, we've got to do this quickly. Mama Durtle needs our help. Sorry, Nova, but we're gonna have to get you cleaned up first. Not water!
Did I mention that I was sorry? Maybe she didn't hear me?
Oh my, those are strange noises. You don't look so good, my whittle dirtle wordle.
Mama Durtle.
Oh, my poor baby. Stay here. I'm going to get you some help. I'll be right back.
Don't worry, buddy. She won't stay mad at you forever.
It already feels like forever. The bush is alive!
It's okay, Rox. Look, otoscope. Oh, cute little webbed feet, bumpy green shell, adorable orange beak, half duck, half turtle. It's our Odd-Paw friend Durtle.
Hello, Mama Durtle. We got here as quickly as we could.
Thank goodness. Follow me. My baby is really sick.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billy!
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Everything looks okay with your baby, Mama Durtle. Lovely shell, orange adorable beak, front legs 100% cute. Oh, and look at those beautiful eyes. That doesn't sound good. Let's get your baby back to the care clinic and run some more tests. Don't worry, little Durtle. We'll have you feeling better in no time.
I've got the Odd carrier, Billy.
Okay, little cutie, let's have a look.
Is she okay, Billy? Can you see what's wrong? The scanner won't hurt her, will it?
The scanner is made for Odd-Paws. It's perfectly safe. Ooh, wow. Look at all that gas in her tummy. And it looks like she might have eaten some bread.
Bread? I have never given her bread. Bread can make Durtles very sick.
It's okay. Sometimes baby Durtles eat things they shouldn't. It happens. It's just an accident.
Just an accident?
Some leg movements should help with your trapped wind. See? That's better. Open wide. Now this medicine will make your tummy feel better, but it also might make you need to use the potty. The Durtle potty's that way.
Oh, come on, I'll take you.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met! Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet!
Hey, Rox. I know you didn't mean to squirt that cream on me earlier. I forgive you.
You do? Ah! Too far? I see that now.
Peekaboo!
right out here, Billy. Coming in for a milk break.
We'll have it ready for you.
Whoopsie.
Hold that milk, Billy. We might have trouble after all.
Thank you.
Billy, what do you know about talking turtle shells?
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billy.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Come on, Rocks. We got a turtle duck to unstuck. Get it, Rocks? Duck to unstuck. Hey, Rocks?
Oh, who's a cute widow egg?
Nova, you want to help me while Rocks babysits the egg?
I could, but then who's going to babysit Rocks?
Well, I guess I'm flying solo. Hello, my name's Billy, and I'm here to help. What's your name?
Durtle.
Nice to meet you. Okay, if I have a look inside your shell? Thank you. Otoscope. Sounds like you're really stuck. Are you feeling okay in there?
I'm okay. Just embarrassed and worried about my egg.
No need to be embarrassed. These things happen. And your egg is in excellent paws. Well, 4 of them, actually.
Ooh, the egg is hatching!
False alarm, but we better get you back to the clinic and out of your shell before your baby hatches. She's really stuck in there. Right, team? Team? What are you doing in there?
Ah. Huh.
Okay, Durtle, I'm gonna try to pull you out now. Try to relax. Okay. Sorry, I can't hear you right now. But I almost... Oh, yes, I see that now. Don't worry, we'll figure this out. This grease should loosen things up.
Ah.
This is tougher than I expected. Mind if I borrow that feather? Durtle, I'm gonna try something a little odd. Maybe I can tickle you out with this feather. Welcome back.
It's hatching!
Thank you all. If not for you, I'd have missed my baby's hatching.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met! Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet! We're also available for babysitting.
Okay, if there's one thing I know about sneezes, it's that they only happen twice. Achoo!
Ah, 3 sneezes. This is serious. I should go see Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Achoo! 4, achoo! 5, achoo! 6. Oh boy, oh boy.
Home, sweet home.
That was the best holiday ever! Did you guys see the sandcastle I made? Well, I brought it with me in case you didn't. Oh, man.
Nothing tires you out, does it, Rox? Even after a really long journey.
Why don't you get some rest, Billy?
Great idea, Nova. I'm just glad we don't have to work until tomorrow.
Help!
Spoke too soon.
Billy, thank goodness! I've been sneezing non-stop. I think there's something seriously wrong.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billy!
Billy the Odd-Paw Vet. Otoscope. Half bunny, half dragon. This Odd-Paw's our friend, Bunny Gun. Don't worry, Bunny Gun. We'll sort you out. Rest will have to wait. Now I'm just gonna take a closer look to see what all the sneezes are about.
Those are my swimming goggles.
Right. Good spot, Nova. That was a test. And you passed. Okay, let's take a listen. Heartbeat seems normal. Now open wide and we'll take a look at your throat. Say, ah.
Achoo! 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 Isn't knocking things over usually my job?
Oh no, are you okay, Bunny Gone?
I'm fine. Achoo!
Okay, think, Billy, think. What causes sneezes? A cold! You must have a cold. I'm sure I've got some cold medicine up here. Some herbal nasal spray ought to do it. Now just hold still. I'm gonna do one quick spray up your nose and it'll make you feel all better.
Uh-oh.
Feeling better? Uh-oh. Billy!
I think that might have made it worse.
Ooh, thanks, Nova. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
Nothing's wrong with you. You're just exhausted.
Nova's right. You shouldn't be so hard on yourself. You've had a super long day.
I guess. But what are we gonna do? I can't just go take a nap. Bunny Gone's gonna set the whole clinic on fire.
Achoo! I know something that might wake you up.
Stop, you're tickling me. Wait, that's it.
See? Works every time.
Bunny Gone doesn't have a cold or the flu or anything like that. Something's tickling his nose. Uh-huh. Yep, you definitely got something stuck up there.
I don't normally keep things in my nose.
All right, I'm gonna need you to stay perfectly still and try not to sneeze. Gotcha.
The carrot stalk! Ah, where's the carrot?
Way to go, Billy!
Yeah, Billy!
Thanks, team. Looks like you need to be a bit more careful when you're munching on those carrots.
Oh, I will. Thank you so much. And sorry for almost burning down your clinic.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, right. Time for me to get some rest.
And time for me to make another sandcastle! Aw, man!
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met!
Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet! Wow! 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 Wow!
water, and in 3 months, carrots.
Oh.
I know. I wish they grew faster. Wait a second. That sounds like an Odd-Paw.
In need of help.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jumps for Billy.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. It's somewhere nearby. Keep your eyes peeled.
Hello.
Oh, hey, it's okay, little guy. We're here to help. Half bunny, half dragon. This Odd-Paw is a bunny gun. Well, aren't you the cutest little bouncing fireball?
Cute isn't the word I'd use.
Sorry about that. My mouth's a little sensitive at the moment.
I can see why. You've got a nasty toothache. How'd you get that?
I think this might have something to do with it.
Whoa! Did you eat this chili pepper?
I thought it was a carrot. Turns out chili plus dragon fire equals super hot tooth-burning volcano breath. Ouch! See?
Yikes! Oh, poor thing. Well, I'm gonna need to take a closer look at that tooth, so,
Ain't nobody touching my tooth.
But I'm a vet! I can help, boy!
No, thank you.
Hello, bodyguard. Not in here.
Whoa!
I guess it's down to me then. I've got this, guys. Now, you can have this carrot if you come with us to the care clinic to sort out that tooth.
All right, deal. You're lucky I like carrots so much.
Here we are. Soothing cream for teeth of all sizes. Now we're just gonna rub a small bit of cream on your gum here.
It's okay, we got you.
So you're half dragon, huh?
Yep.
Did you know Rox is half dinosaur?
Huh? He is?
I am? I am. I knew that.
He knows what it's like to have big teeth and what it's like when they're super sore. But he also knows that I'm the absolute best at making them well again. Isn't that right, Rox?
Oh, the absolute best.
So what do you say? Can you be a super brave bunny slash dragon?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, open wide. There.
Is that it?
Uh-huh.
It feels better already. Wow. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
So, any chance of that carrot now?
You know what? I've got a better idea. Take these. They're carrot seeds, so now you can grow your own. And these won't give you super hot volcano breath.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.